When it comes to effortless and powerful cleaning, the Oraimo Cordless vacuum stands in a league of its own. This sleek cleaning companion with 24 kPa suction power and a range of smart features is designed to transform your cleaning routine. Let's explore why the Oraimo Cordless vacuum is a must-have for every home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Up to 24 kPa suction power. Breathe life into your cleaning sessions with the Oraimo Cordless vacuum's upgraded 270 watts brushless motor. Experience a robust suction power of up to 24 kPa, effortlessly banishing dirt, debris, pet hair, and stubborn grime. Your floors will be left pristine after every vacuuming session. Larger LED display for enhanced control. Stay in control with the vacuum's larger LED display panel. Monitor the suction level and battery power at a glance. The display also provides alerts for potential issues such as blocked floor brushes or air ducts, ensuring you stay informed for optimal performance and motor longevity. Longer runtime and faster charging. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning with the Oraimo Cordless vacuum's extended runtime of up to 45 minutes. The 25,000 mAh by 6 detachable batteries power your cleaning sessions, and with upgraded charging technology, a mere 2-5 hours are all it takes to get your vacuum ready for action. Tangle Defender Brush for hassle-free maintenance. Bid farewell to hair entanglement woes with the unique Tangle Defender Brush. This thoughtful addition reduces daily maintenance troubles, making your cleaning routine seamless. The vacuum's lightweight design allows easy maneuvering up and down stairs and transforms into a handheld vacuum for versatile use. Thoughtful design for convenience. Oraimo understands the importance of convenience. The self-standing design of the cordless stick vacuum ensures easy storage, and the inclusion of 4 HEPA filters enough for 1-year use captures 99.99% of particles, releasing clean air and reducing secondhand pollution. Transform your cleaning experience. In conclusion, the Oraimo Cordless vacuum is not just a cleaning tool, it's a game changer for your home. From powerful suction to smart features, every aspect is designed to make your cleaning experience efficient and enjoyable. Elevate your cleaning game with Oraimo. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.